Meanwhile, in a dangerous, horrible place where evil villains go, of the evil villain who hate PG-Tips Monkey and the Beast, not to the two evil villains, King Warrior and King Yui. The evil villains, Warrior and King Yui, their job is to take all the world and conquer PG-Tips. But the traitor Chow the Hedgehog is Warrior friend. Or is he? I'm getting sick of Monkey all the time. I hate PG-Tips Monkey and the Beast. This is all your fault, Warrior.
Really, it's my fault. I didn't do everything, King Yui. Crash course to kill and beat a monkey. It was your fault, you big-headed balloon.
No, it isn't my fault. It was your fault to stop PG-Tips Monkey. Besides, where is Chow? More here, guys.
Chill, you late again, you stupid black hedgehog. Where have you been?
Been playing with my friends.
Who are your friends? Shadow?
PG-Tips Monkey and the Beast.
What? You're making friends with the morons?
Got no choice, guys. The Beast and Monkey are my friends. Besides, why you keep picking on them all the time? You keep picking on them? Why do we keep picking on them? Your friends are them rivals we hate so much? PG-Tips Monkey and the Beast are your friends? Yes, they're my friends. So, what about it? Of course they're my friends. Chow the Hedgehog, you've gone too far. Get out of here! You're fired! You can't fire me! Oh yes I can! Warrior, deal with that stupid hedgehog!
Wait, King Yui. You're coming with me, Shadow, make it or not.
But Warrior, I'm your friend!
Not anymore. You make friends with a stupid monkey and beast. So now we are through.
Ah! Ah! Oh, it hurts. Meanwhile, in PG-Tips Monkey and the Beast... Guys! I found something stupid, guys! Okay, guys? Yes, I know! I know you found something stupid. What Beast found something stupid, Mario? I don't know, PG-Tips Monkey. Look! I can piss on there! Look! I'm pissing! I am pissing! What's wrong, Monkey? Why are you upset? Oh my god. What did I say? Look, there's Chow! Hello, Chow! Guys, I need your help, guys. PG-Tips Monkey and the... Need your help, PG-Tips Monkey and the Beast. Where's Chow? King Yui and Warrior are my off-nemesis. You're friends with them jerks? Yes, I'm friends with them. You're friends with Warrior? Chow, how could you? We're your friends, Chow. You're friends with a horrible person, a criminal monkey? Yes. Oh, Chow, what are we gonna do? Can't defend ourselves. Where did they find us? PG-Tips Monkey. If we beat Warrior and King Yui, we can save the world. Can we? Yeah, I think so. Oh, let's go, Chow. Right. Well, what SpongeBob said.
SpongeBob.
Now back to PG-Tips Monkey and the Beast.
What?
Stupid Chow. So Chow think he can run her, that stupid black hedgehog.
Yes, stupid hedgehog.
Oh yeah, you could take that back. Who said that? Me, the Beast. Oh no, it's a half nemesis. The Beast and PG-Tips Monkey. So, you think you can pickle our friends, huh? Chow! How dare you pickle on friend Chow, you bully! I don't think so, Beast. This time you're going too far. Let's fight.
Yes, you too, Mario.
What did I say? Don't worry, Mario, we'll take him down. But first, I got to deal with PG Tips Monkey.
You're not gonna get away this time, King Yui! You're not gonna get away with it!
Oh yeah? Meet me, monkey.
Ah! Put me down! Help! Ah!
Oh! You did my phenom, you bully! Arr!
No, beasts. I have to deal with King Yui. You and Monkey, get out of here.
But Chow!
Now! I got to deal with Wario and King Yui, my evil friends. You're going down, King Yui. You too, Wario. Meet me, Hedgehog. Oh yeah? Vroom.
Oh no, why me?
And that's for you, King Yui.
Oh dear.
Get out of here!
You won this time, beast. But I'll be back next time.
Oh damn it, we let him go! Damn it! Well, alright, Monkey. We can still beat him next time. Yes, we can beat him next time. Oh, Mario? Yes, PG Tips Monkey? Hey! That's for being an idiot, you jerk! Another thing, guys! If you have some friends that do the same way I do, kick their butt! So, goodbye!